Peggy 18.
Morning, this is Marty Soto of Sweet Hotel. May I help you? Ma'am, here in Sweet Hotel, we are offering a high quality of rooms like deluxe room and standard room. Okay, ma'am. May I hear your name and the name of your friend? Okay, ma'am. When will be your arrival? Okay. Ma'am, may I reserve a room for you and to your friends? A standard room that has 2 beds in a 1 room. Am I right, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for calling, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Sweet Hotel. May I your luggage? Ma'am.
No, thanks.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Do you have any reservation?
Yes.
And may I have your name, please? Yes, you are Miss Melissa Cunanan. And your reservation is a standard room for you and your friend. For your friend.
Yes.
Your key, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Ma'am, this is your comfort room.
Okay.
Your television. Your mini bar. Table. Reading materials. Your 2 bed. And telephone.
Okay.
Don't hesitate to call me if you have a problem.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
These past few days, I'm too busy. I'm tired.
Oh, this is your vacation.
Oh.
Our vacation is enjoy
Yes,
it.
let's enjoy it.
You're so tired. I'm so tired too.
I have a lot of work.
Cut!
In our minibar, there's no snacks and juice. What's that? What kind of hotel is this? In minibar, there's no snacks and juice. Okay, I'll wait.
Hello. Oh, okay. Don't worry, ma'am. Sorry for the incompleteness of your minibar. I will hurry the housekeeping to solve your problem. Okay, sorry, ma'am. Housekeeping. Ang ganda.
Wow, fit and right. Do you like?
Yes.
I'm hungry.
It's the garbage. Garbage kind.
Hello? I just want to be informed that here in room 702, we will check out in 30 minutes. Okay? Yes, bye.
for calling.
We will check out now. We will go back in work. Wait, before we leave, make sure that our all belongs are, you know, okay. Let's go. No offense.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for coming here in our bell.
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you.
Yes, I'm okay.